Welcome on in. This is Galactic Wisdom Way Shower, where we nurture the seeds of your soul. We are here with e-talk. Let's tend to your rainbow seeds, aligning your soul with the frequencies of your highest path. This is the Rainbowseed Maintenance reading for this week. It is to recalibrate to your light body's natural frequencies. Let's check out what the theme is to your light body and what your light body is wanting to focus on. Ooh, I really love this. I love this a lot, and I may pull another card at the beginning of the month, and this could be any month because we are recalibrating. So yes, I am posting this in October, but your light body and you right now could still be recalibrating even if it's not October. But 3 videos ago, I spoke about having a smoke ritual, having a smoke blessing. So utilizing incense, resin, herbs, that sort of nature to cleanse your mental body because there was a mind loop stuck. You've unstuck that mind loop. That mind loop is no more. So I would definitely, if you haven't seen that video, go check it out because you are on to the group 2 in that video. You have noticed repetitive thoughts, and that isn't happening anymore. There's going to be a group 2 because there was a second group that was all focused on their healing. And now it's continuing to be focused on your meditations. Continuing to focus on your meditations. There's something very important for both of you beings for your meditation. I am. Accept yourself as you are. So both of these groups are accepting themselves as they are. There's no longer that mind loop, and there's no longer the hesitancy to meditate. And it's so beautiful that your light is back. Your light looks so good on you. Now let's see where you are being upgraded energetically, that your light is on. Full force. There's no dimming your light. There is just you existing and being you. Oh my goodness. A rainbow child. A rainbow seed. Well, this isn't a shocker. This isn't a shock that you're watching the Rainbowseed Maintenance and you're being upgraded to realizing you are a rainbow seed. You have experienced lives as different beings. You have had an earth-rooted life. You've had a star being life. You've had an angelic being life. You have had all of these different perspectives of being. Now it is time to alchemize them and focus on your blueprint. Focus on where did your soul begin at? How does that differentiate the way you exist? Whew, this is really big and exciting because I feel as though even tapping into your angelic side or your star being side, it was still only a fraction of who you actually are. You are all of these things combined, and that's what makes you incredibly beautiful. Let's see what chakra needs support. while integrating that you are a rainbow seed. You are a rainbow warrior. You are what the prophecies have been speaking about. You are the change that this planet is anticipating to raise the collective's frequency. Let's see. Throat chakra, express your truth. Working on your throat chakra, working on saying, I am a rainbow seed. Whew. You can even say it with me, I am a rainbow seed. I am a rainbow warrior. I am a being of what? What are you a being of? Of source, of creator, of God? What are you a being of? Proclaim it, because this is the time to express your truth entirely. Ooh, this is a time to express your truth entirely. Work on ways that you naturally bring your rainbow qualities. Work on ways, whether it be art, whether it be singing, writing, dancing, however you express how you have all of these facets within you, and it's time to allow the world to see those facets. Allow the world to see those facets. You are needed. You are required during this ascension. Let's see what being is assisting you during this ascension. Earth angel, angelic beings. So now that I see this, I would definitely call upon angelic beings to work with your throat chakra. I would also see what your Mercury placements are. Understanding the way your communication is attuned within this physical vessel is very important. But I'm also seeing that this earth angel, this angelic being, whether it's an angel seed or it's an angelic being, if it is an angel seed, this being has only known what life is by being an angel, and it has reincarnated as a human. So that's the difference. And that's where this person is going to have the strength to hold space for you being a collective soul being a soul that has so many experiences. This angelic being is going to be able to sustain what you're going through. Whew. Which is beautiful. They're also going to even remind you that you used to be an angelic being with them. So you may, I'm seeing that you may have known this person in the angelic realms and you're just recognizing them now. Oh, that's beautiful. Also, knowing that they didn't know you in the other realms. So it's very interesting to meet another being that is going to assist you because they know you on an angelic level and they are able to sustainably provide a space for you to express your most authentic self because they know you from a different perspective of existence, and they get to be excited and see what you've gathered from this human life, from a star being life, and the culmination of all of those experiences. So that's beautiful. This feels like a very congratulatory reading. This feels like maintaining understanding the vastness of who you are and allowing others like angelic beings to hold space for you. Now let's see what self-care can integrate you expressing your rainbow warriorness and allowing assistance from this angel seed. Oh, we got that again. Shine your light. Shine your light. Do not fear the light. And I feel as though that's why maybe a lot of your friends are of the angelic realm, because the angelic realm, whenever I think of light and the angelic beings, I think of a lot of different biblical and religious text that has the other being confronting a human and saying to not have fear for them or to not cast them aside, and to understand that angelic beings are so misunderstood. And your angelic being friend that you used to hang out with in the angelic realms, they won't judge you for shining your light. They won't be scared of you for shining your light. And it is time to experience a life at your full capacity, your full vibration. This is a very pleasant reading. They're showing me to work with angelite, celestite, aquamarine, angelite. I believe I said angelite already. Those are the few stones that they were showing me to assist you on your path. But continue your meditation. Do not allow those loopings to come back and dim your light. Continue shining bright. You are beautiful. You are loved. And you are magnificent and exactly what this planet needs. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. And this is our last reading for the month. Continue checking out our different services. And we do have our moon meditations on Monday on Being Cosmic Chaos on Spotify and Apple iTunes. Check out our website for any other maintenance offerings or quantum Reiki life coaching. Bye guys. Thank you for walking the wisdom path with me. Keep tending to your seeds, whether it be rainbow seed, angelic seed, earth seed, star seed, and may your journey be guided by being human with spirit. Tend your seeds, trust your light. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.